Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to build your first Ionic app. First, open command line, then let's write down the command ionic start and the name for our application, for example first app. Then we hit enter. It's gonna give us some choices for a starter template. There is a blank, which is will build you a blank application, and a blank application with side menu, and start application with tabs, 3 tabs. At first we are going to start only blank application, wait for it to complete downloading and creating our first application. Now, after our ionic is created successfully, let's navigate to the application we just created. Its name was first app. For me, I'm using Visual Studio Code Editor for editing codes. You can use any editor you have. To open this project within the Visual Studio Code, write down the command code dot. This is the structure of the application we just created. Here in source, app, home, the home page. This is the HTML for the home page. HTML dot page, the layout of home page, and in home page.ts, here we are going to write to the code in. To run this application, we write ionic serve. We wait for the server to start. This is the application we just created. Just got title and some text, which is here. For example, let me remove this text and add a button, ionic button, and add some text to the button. For example, click me. Control save. It's gonna auto reload the application with the new updates. Only in the first times it takes some time. See, we added this button, click me. Now it got no functionality. To add a function, whenever we click this button, we write in the button, in the event, click, add a function. For example, let's name it btn, click, and now we are going to create this function. Of course, as I said, in the homepage.ts, first we need to create the constructor inside, just empty constructor. We got nothing to do with it now. Now let's create the function, which is button click. It got no parameters, and it just gonna show only alert for now, just for testing. Control S to save. Now the application is reloading. Now when I click the button, I see the alert we just created. See you next video.